The concept of veganism, initially emerging as a philosophy advocating for the ethical treatment and liberation of animals, began to evolve into a more specific dietary choice in the early 1940s. Recognized as 1% of the American population by 2016, veganism gained traction through publications like Richard Mott's The World Without War, 1937, which emphasized animal rights and ethical treatment. Key milestones include George Foraker's Vegan Society, founded in Cleveland, Ohio, in 1894, followed by the emergence of plant-based protein sources and innovations, such as soy milk and tofu. Major turning points occurred with events like the 1960 publication of Francis Moore Lapp's Diet for a Small Planet, which popularized veganism on a broader scale. The social impact of veganism has been significant, with numerous studies showing improvements in heart health, weight management, and environmental sustainability. Vegan diets have also contributed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 50% compared to non-vegan diets. However, some drawbacks include potential nutrient deficiencies and the difficulty of maintaining a vegan diet on a budget. Looking ahead to 2050, it is projected that global demand for plant-based foods will increase by at least 70%, driven by a growing awareness of health benefits, environmental concerns, and increasing ethical considerations. Incorporating more sustainable agricultural practices could mitigate negative impacts while ensuring continued growth in the vegan market.